Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Yes. Now welcome to next class. Now we will start with the some activities. Some activity. Now what you have to do? Take any waste papers, white or any color paper. If you have any color papers in your home, waste paper, you can use this one. We will make today tiny tree. Tiny tree. Tiny means small tree. With this activity, we will make a tree. Okay. Now you can use color paper also. Here, if you have color paper, then it's okay. If you don't have color paper, if you are having white paper, then you can use white paper also. Don't worry about that one. Don't bring new from shop. Don't worry about that. If you have a white paper, use the white paper. If you don't have white paper or if you have color papers, use that also. Any color waste papers. Now we have to fold this. We will make a round shape. We will give round shape like this. Fold it. Fold like this. Okay. Now this is here. Here. We fold it as, don't press this one. Don't press like this. Just hold and take any glue, gum, anything. We call as a glue or gum, or if you have sellotape in your home, anyone, you can use that. I have sellotape. Yes, I'll stick here. Don't press too much. Yes, slightly. I'll paste it. See, I close here. Pasted this paper. Pasted. Now it is a round shape. Yes, or not, children? Yes, round like this. Now what I have to do? Take a scissor. One more thing, children. While using scissor or any sharp object, if you are using, don't use the like this sharp objects. If you are using scissor, take care about these scissors. Okay. Sometimes what will happen, by mistake you will get hurt from this sharp object. So while doing this one, in the presence of your parents only, you have to do this activity. Okay, children? Tell them to help to cut these papers. Now round shape it is. Now we have to cut from upside or from this side or this side. Anyone, you can use this. I'll cut from this side. How to cut? Here we have to cut down papers, little half. Now give gap between, slightly give gap between like this, and we have to cut here. Here also slightly I will give gap between these, and I cut these papers. Now we will check what will happen. Yes, children, are you ready? Yes. Now little slightly have to press here upside, from upside. From upside, if you press, fold it downside like this. Ah, now it's look like a tree. Yes or no, children? It's look like a tree. Small cuts we have to do. Okay. Now here it's look like a tree. This is we call as a tiny tree, small tree. You can place in our home like this, in anywhere. You can place this like a tree. If you are using white paper, then color it. Simple thing. If you are using any color paper, then it's okay, no problem. And draw any this one with the sketch pen. Yes, make it beautiful. Now, if you are using white paper, then color it. It's okay. Now we will go to next one. That is tallest tower. Here, this is a color, green color paper I use it. Now tallest tower. Tower means what? Tower means we are placing object downside and here we are placing object one by one upside and we are keeping that objects. Yes children, these are we are using some objects. Here we have a materials. Here we have materials. These we call as a flat surface. Flat surface. Flat surface. Now just a minute. Now these are round surface. Okay, round shape, flat surface. These are also flat surface and some round. We have ball or any this objects we have. Now we will try to build tower. Yes children. Now first I will use these books. Yes, I'll place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll count this and I'll place here. If we are keeping the books one upside, then also it will not fall. It is strong. See, now I will try to use this round shape. I'll keep this on this. Arre bapre, fell down. Okay, again we will use some more items. Here also I have round shape. Yes, we will try to keep. We will making a tower. Yes, another one I will keep here upside. High, fell down. Now what we have to do? I'll take another few more this one items and I'll keep one by one here. See, become big. See, I'll keep this one. Tower. Okay. Fell down. Why children? Why it will happen? Can you guess me? Can you tell me this one? Think that why it will happen like this? Why we are keeping books more? Here. Then also they are not falling. Why? Think once again. Yes. Why? Because children, when the base is, this is we call base means flat surface. When we are using flat surface, it is strong, more strong. And if you are using this any round object to build any tower, then what will happen? It is not as strong, it will fall. See here, within keeping these three object only. Next object, if you have placed, hurry, sometimes fell down. Yes or no, children? So, you have to keep in our mind that when we are using any flat surface to build any tower, the buildings, it is we called as strong. And if you are using towers, can you see this tower? Say towers. This is a model of tower. Now here base is wide, and when we'll go up, then it become narrow.